Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest to promote your business. Let's launch the Pinterest app. What I noticed earlier while I was browsing over here, right? Different lifestyle images, things that usually will not caught your attention, right? If you find that there are companies and brands outside who are selling replica watches that are very next to the original watches. As crazy as it sounds, people are running ads on replica products that are next to the original legitimate products. Which, as crazy as it sounds, its strategy obviously works. Unbelievable. So this simply gives you an update that any product, any service, any idea could be implemented and could be put into competition. Not only with something that is similar, but in this particular case, you see companies who are selling a reproduction of the original brands can actually make it. And think about it, these people are not, losing their time here. If they're here, if they keep posting, this means that they're getting results, they're getting sales. Second thing I want you to pay attention to is that you don't always want to put the sales offer in front of the people. So you don't want to always to put the product in front of the people. Like the car, BMW, it's a product, right? It's not someone that is passionate about it. Like you see the phone accessories over here, the watch, the sneakers, right? This is all products. But some people are actually taking your attention to go to their page simply by posting stuff like this, like a mood boards, like visualize this, a stack of money, stack of cash. Obviously they don't sell this, they don't sell the money, right? They don't sell all that stuff. But what would you do once when you click on it, right? You go on their profile, and guess what? They don't have anything related to money. They're all here to generate leads to their products if they're selling affiliate products or if they have their own product line, right? Because look at it, there are a bunch of promoted content on the site. There are a bunch of cars are running ads. Even Apple is running ad over here, right? And they're putting the product right in front of your eyes. But this is the big brands though. You don't want to use the strategy that is currently used by the big brands because they have a big budgets. Because they already have running sales that could pay for this A/B testing different ads, right? Your goal is to get as much as leads as possible with as little budget as possible, right? You see what I'm even saying over here? People are selling diamonds. Sometimes you don't even know what people are selling, but you're just curious and you click on it, right? You see? They don't directly telling you that, they're going to sell you fragrance or perfume, right? But you're going to click on this and probably, let's presume that these people are actually selling stuff like this. Because if you scroll down, well, you will find a bunch of Amazon links from different products into cosmetics, right? You can see over here. And you can see videos, you can see reviews. The main point and idea over here, guys, is that you need to have unique approach. Think about what is your business. Think about how so far you promoted your business on Facebook, Instagram, whatever platform you use, Shopify, right? Now I want you to create a brand new strategy. Don't copy, don't utilize something that already has been used, okay? Create a new pictures, create a new content, create a new videos, create a new description of your products, right? Create a new hook because this platform is very, very different. The attention span is shorter simply because you have a double feed over here. You don't have a single feed like any other app. So double feed, meaning that you have even more choices on the same scrolling speed. More choices, less frequency, less focus, less interactions. If something doesn't really caught your attention, you're not gonna get it, okay? So I want you to create your own strategy. I want you to create something completely new, and I want you to test a free traffic generation. Okay, don't go straight for the paid promotion and marketing and earning ads on Pinterest. Test, see what's working. Go on your analytics. If you click on your profile, you will have the analytics on top left corner. You click analytics and you will find everything that is proven working, how many interactions, how many people actually clicked on the link that you provided, the outbound clicks. And this is how you're going to build the most effective strategies to bring traffic to your website. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.